Buddy, Mr. Trickleson here during the February break. It's good to be home. Good to be have some time off. I just wanted to again draw your attention to the fact that I do have this massive playlist of videos, and it starts with the earliest days that we have Ecce Romani 1A, and goes all the way to the end of the term, which is like chapter 27 stuff. So anyway, right now we're around here, 18b. No, I'm sorry, like we're really like more in this area here, but I'm correcting 18b and 18c. But I just wanted to, again, let you know that there are all these videos here. And, I don't know. I hate to belabor the point. I really do. I don't want to bore anybody or anything like that, but like there are these videos that I made like, I don't know, 2 years ago. And once in a while I make new ones, but they're really meant to explain the exercises that you have in the course. So just wanted to once again put it out there that there are lots of videos here, and I guess you can like sort of like look at this thing here, but if you just search on like my name like this right over here, or Ecce Romani like here, you should see like some results, and that's it. It's meant to help. I want it to help. I hope it does help. And, some of you have been taking advantage of it and some of you have not. But just wanted to put it out there again, okay?